Starting acrylic painting can be exciting and overwhelming. I've been there. So today, I'm sharing 5 acrylic tips every beginner should know. Tips that will save you time, paint, and frustration. Whether you're painting on canvas, wood, or paper, surface matters. Use gesso to prime your surface before painting. It helps the paint glide better, gives brighter colors, and prevents paint from soaking through. If you got your canvas from art stores and already pre-primed, you can still add an extra coat of gesso for a smoother finish. Acrylics aren't watercolors. Too much water can break down the paint binder and make your colors look dull and patchy. Use a misting bottle to keep your paint moist and not soupy. Unlike watercolor, acrylic paint is opaque, which means layering works best from dark to light. Start with your midtones or shadows, then layer in highlights for depth and dimension. Always remember to let each layer dry before adding details to avoid muddy blending. Acrylic paint dries fast, sometimes too fast. To blend smoothly, you'll need to work in small sections. You may also keep a damp brush or use a retarder medium to slow the drying time. Acrylic paint can ruin your brushes fast if you let it dry on the bristles. Always rinse them thoroughly between color changes and dip clean at the end of your session. Use brush soap or mild dish soap. Plus, warm water, not hot, because hot water can loosen glue and ruin the ferrule. Which of these tips help you the most, or which one are you guilty of skipping? If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss our next beginner-friendly painting tutorial.